Hi guys, as promised by Team Mandla, that they are done collecting information from their V11s, and that information do ya Buddha my results akamira akadai. Please take note that is not my handwriting. Freeman Chare is saying Arku he is willing to go and remove all the gadgets that are across the country as long as people get the free and fair election.
What I have to ask you now, and I'm hoping that you can respond with your most simplest and honest answer you can, and that is that, do you believe, as the SADC observer mission, that these elections were free, fair, and importantly, credible?
Well, that is a question we don't usually answer easily. And I think that in our statement, we put it a little bit differently. And look, our goal is to authenticate the process. If the process is flawed, then the result cannot be legitimate.